Hey everyone, today I'm diving deep into the world of AI with the top 10 revolutionary uses of GPT-4o that are absolutely changing the game. Let's discover how this advanced tech can make our lives easier and more exciting. First up, ever thought about turning your sketches directly into a website? With GPT-4o, just say, write HTML and CSS code for this web page layout I've drawn, attach your sketch, and boom. You've got yourself a functional web page coded from your very own designs, moving from paper to digital with zero hassle. Next, for all you investors out there, GPT-4o can take a look at your investment portfolio and spit out a detailed analysis. Just upload your portfolio and ask for insights into asset allocation, risk tolerance, and performance. It's like having a financial advisor in your pocket. Math can be a headache, right? Well, not anymore. Snap a photo of your math problems, ask GPT-4o for help, and get detailed step-by-step solutions. It's perfect for students or anyone looking to brush up on their math skills. Let's talk stocks. Imagine being able to analyze stock data and get visualizations just by uploading an Excel sheet. GPT-4o does just that, making it a powerful tool for anyone looking to make informed investment decisions. Ever looked at a dish and wished you could whip it up yourself? Just snap a picture, ask GPT-4o for a summary and a recipe, and you'll be cooking like a chef in no time. It's like having your own culinary assistant. Fashion woes? No problem. Take a photo of your outfit, ask GPT-4o for style advice, and get tips on how to elevate your look with simple tweaks and accessories. It's like shopping with a stylist virtually. For photographers, GPT-4o can transform your photos with expert editing advice. Just upload a photo, specify your editing software, and get recommendations on how to enhance your shot. Ready, set, impress. Creating compelling marketing content can be tough, but with GPT-4o, just provide a photo of your product and it will generate engaging content that captures the essence of your brand. It's like having a marketing guru at your fingertips. Legal documents can be daunting. Upload any document and GPT-4o will review it for potential issues and suggest improvements, ensuring everything is top-notch and compliant. Finally, planning an event? Outline your activities, ask GPT-4o for help, and get a customized event itinerary that makes sure your event runs smoothly and memorably. It's like having your own personal event planner. There you have it, 10 mind-blowing ways GPT-4o can assist in our daily lives, making tasks simpler and more efficient. In the video description, you'll find the prompts necessary to complete all the tasks discussed in the video. This is just the beginning of what AI can do for us. Describe how GPT-4 assisted you with your task. We'd love to hear about your experience in the comments section. Stay tuned, and let's keep exploring this incredible tech frontier together. Catch you in the next one.